China-Africa Interbank Association is the first multilateral financial entity between Africa and China. The association is led by the China Development Bank and has 16 member banks. They include some of Africa's largest banks, such as the Amalgamated Banks of South Africa, Bank Misir, and the United Bank for Africa. The association will provide a platform for cooperation between the banks.
The China-Africa Interbank Association will inject more power to infrastructure construction and mineral and tourism resources development across Africa. Banks will provide funds in forms of loan and equity.
Chinese President Xi Jinping announced an additional $60 billion in support for Africa during the two-day forum that concluded on Tuesday. The support includes a $10 billion fund to finance cooperation in infrastructure and energy. The Interbank Association will be an essential part of the endeavor.
The cooperation, it will include a lot of fields, infrastructure, energy. It's very essential for the relation between China and Africa.
I think the strength of this association is that it represents a grouping of really leading financial institutions, both development finance and commercial banks. And I think the combined group brings together the expertise on the ground in terms of Africa with the financial capacity of China, and I think that's the strength.
At the founding ceremony, the China Development Bank said the association will promote cooperation in multiple areas between its members and support Belt and Road Initiative projects. Timothy Ulrich, CGTN.